Hey everyone, I'm going to demonstrate my Siren, and you can see my window right there. It's currently in the window. It's dark. It's really dark colors, so you can't see it very well. But I'm going to set it off from inside the house. So I'm going to leave the camera here and go inside and set it off. Oh, and by the way, Charlie, say hi.
Hey guys!
Got Charlie from Tennessee on the phone, Soccer Dude 7330. Okay, I'm gonna go set it off now.
What you are about to hear is only a test. This is only a test. Remember, that was only a test.
Yeah, definitely.